Hello everyone, welcome back to another Kakapona Industries episode. Today, I'm not doing my 3D printing thing as you guys could see. Guys, I assume everyone knows what we're doing today, so, yep, let's get started. Alright guys, I think I understand the procedure, so, yes, I'm gonna try to fly this thing. It's gonna be very hard, but trust me, I know the process. I'm trying to become a pro drone pilot within a year. Alright, let's try this thing. Hopefully everything works as intended and we get something that actually works, not like some scam from Dave & Buster's. Okay, I think Dave & Buster's won't scam me. Up and down. Okay, I think that worked. Oh. I'm gonna turn the tripod a little bit this way so you can see what's happening. Hopefully you can't see anything that's happening, because it's kind of embarrassing. I'm just trying really hard. And here you can see my little bro. Yeah, by now I'm just gonna speed up the next part. This thing right now. I'm not sure. Oh. Okay, so here's little bro. I crashed. I said stop it, bro. Stop it. All right. That's it. Let's see. Oh. Buddy. Oh, come on. Buddy. It's only the first day. Guys, thank you for watching this video. This will be the last you see of this drone because I'm returning it to Dave & Buster's. And also, please subscribe because if you don't, you're going on this carnival ride. See ya, I'll do more 3D printing next week.